Congress leader Sandeep Dixit, speaking exclusively to NNIS, said that the Swachh Bharat mission under the aegis of the BJP was a political gimmick. He said he did not feel that the program was a well brought out one.
Kerala Congress Committee had made a complaint because certain actions of Mr. Tharoor, he may think it's well intended, I am not doubting that, have created confusion in the ranks and in people's minds. And I think that's why the disciplinary committee has taken cognizance of that note. See, the thing is, in this, for example, this Safai Abhiyan is a welcome program. I mean, very well, government is trying to do something good. Unfortunately, it's a program without any head or feet. I mean, there is no scheme. We don't know what it's going to do, what the solutions are going to be. So, ultimately, it appears more like a political gimmick. But I hope, cleanliness is something all of us are worried about, and I hope it happens. And if it happens, I'll be very happy. But A, I don't think it's a well thought out program. B, we are members of parliament. We are not brand ambassadors for something. We are Congress in 65 years has constructed this nation from a country जहाँ कहते थे एक सुई नहीं बनती है, to a country that has sent a mission to the Mars, which please remember was also conceived and done under the Congress rule. And I think you let him rule for his 50 to 60 months, and then we will see what he has done in 3 months. We've all seen. So out of 60 months, 3 months have gone, 5% of the time is over. Let's see what else he does. Congress's 65 years have been of a glorious past. Of course, there will be ups and downs. We will have our mistakes and we will have our faults. And whenever we do that, the people of India remove us from power, which they do. And it's their country. Whoever they wish will rule this nation.
Powered by NNIS.